Hello. So, as I promised in my community tab, I will be doing an unboxing of my new prismacolors. So, kind of hard because I don't have that big of a setup, and I don't have like that thing where you can just set out. You can like put it, and then you can like, I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Technically, these are the prismacolors. And yeah, so yes, I did already take them out of the foil. And yeah, so like, let me put that to this angle so you can see this. Although I wish you could see it a bit more. This is all I can do, so yeah. So this is the first color. First layer. Super happy. Let's see, I need to take it out as carefully as possible so I don't mess it up. And here's the second layer. Nice. I'll take this one out just so I can, and I'm going to put this back in so I can show you the back of the container. I feel like for those who want to purchase prismacolors as well, also would like to see the back. So I got mine for $43. Really expensive. They were mainly supposed to come on Saturday, but instead of that, they did come a bit earlier on, like today, which is way earlier than I expected because it's Wednesday, right? This looks 3 days, so yeah. I'm gonna try my best to show the back of the container. So wait, I can just sort of do this. I know they're not fake because they have like the Newell branding at the bottom, like right here. Yeah. So yeah, this is the back of the container. And yeah. Then I have you guys who want to see it. So honestly, like I feel like this is really nice overall. But I feel like the pencils came a bit, very little though, beat up. For example, like let me find it, like right here. If you can see it, I don't think you can on camera, but there's like this little grip there. It could be just because of shipping and why do I like doing this so much? Like, yeah. I know I will not be swatching these. That's technically just a waste of time to me. Because I just don't like swatching things because it's also a waste of the pencils. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time all the colors that I came with. So, I don't know if you can see that. I'll just try my best. So, I cannot flip over the camera. And yeah. So technically that was all the colors. So it did come with metallic gold and silver. And yeah. To be honest, these look really nice. And it's really refreshing to get like a new white because this is as big as my hand. And I have like a really small one that's only like this big. Let me try getting it. Sorry. As you can see, small. And then like compared to the big one that I have, this is really big. It's so hard to get this out. So comparison, this is really small and then this is really big. So I'm really happy to get a new white one. button. Yeah. I got them on Amazon, if anybody's wondering. Since I don't have the link on my phone, I will not be linking them down. But you can try finding them on Amazon. So yeah. I'm still going to be using these because these ones are still fun, but I do need a bit more color variety. And yeah. So I hope we can get to 800 subscribers though, because like, yeah, I just want to get to 1K really bad. And if we go to 800, then I'll do a special maybe, if we can, yeah. You see my reflection like right with my phone, but yeah. So yeah, this was, yeah, nice. So bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Make sure to subscribe because I'm on my road to 800. Bye.